Hello everyone, and a warm welcome to a brand new video from TodAI. In today's video, we are going to explore the world of cloud storage. Specifically, we'll be talking about Nextcloud, a powerful tool that is changing the way we share and manage our files. Let's discover what Nextcloud is, its different functions, and how it can be useful for people and companies. What is Nextcloud? Nextcloud is an online platform that allows you to access, synchronize, and share your files from various devices and locations. Unlike services such as Google Drive or Dropbox, Nextcloud is open source, which means that users can install it on their own servers and maintain complete control over their data. This provides more privacy and security. The functionalities of Nextcloud. Nextcloud is not solely limited to storing files. It also offers a variety of features like private chat, a calendar, and productivity tools. For example, you are able to chat securely, organize events with its integrated calendar, and collaborate on documents in real time. Differences between Nextcloud Normal and Nextcloud All-in-One. Within Nextcloud, there are two primary options, Nextcloud Normal and Nextcloud All-in-One. The main distinction is that All-in-One incorporates additional features such as email, contact, and project management, making it a comprehensive solution for data handling and collaboration. Uses of Nextcloud. Nextcloud is useful for personal use, keeping files organized and communicating securely, and for businesses to collaborate and manage files securely. Alternative options. While Nextcloud is excellent, there are other alternatives like OwnCloud, Surfile, and PDO, all of which offer similar features but with minor distinctions.
In the description, you'll find videos where we discuss each in more detail.
Nextcloud stands out for its focus on privacy, its customization capabilities, and its active community of developers who constantly add new features. To use Nextcloud, you have different hosting options. You can opt for cloud hosting services that offer Nextcloud pre-installed, allowing you to start quickly without worrying about complicated configurations. You also have the option to self-host Nextcloud, which means you can install it on your own server. An excellent choice for this is OpenMediaVault, a network-attached storage operating system that allows you to manage your own server simply and securely. With OpenMediaVault, you can have full control over your Nextcloud instance and ensure that your data is protected and under your control.
In the description, you'll find more videos explaining what OpenMediaVault is, how to install it, and how to host Nextcloud on it.
In summary, Nextcloud is more than just a simple cloud storage service. It's a complete platform for online collaboration that offers privacy, security, and control over your data, whether you use it for your personal life or for your business. Nextcloud allows you to work more efficiently and securely in today's digital world.
In the description, you'll find additional videos with explanations and tutorials on cloud storage and much more.